my god, I look so pretty.
Don't always pick up when you call.
That is the first time I've said that when looking. I just love this dress! I just put makeup on and I look like semi-decent. Where's my dog? Doggy! Doggy! Truffles! Shake my hand. That's right, come here. Come here. Ah, ready? Look. High five. Oh my god. Anyways, okay, no talking. Shh. Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. It's been a while. I'm posting currently and it's kind of regular, not really. It's like every 2 to 3 weeks I will post a video because I currently just don't have time. And you may be wondering
why?
And you also may be wondering,
where am I?
And I'll tell you, this is my new room. I moved house again. Yeah. I've moved 3 times in the past 13 months. It's a little crazy, a little hectic, but that's what leads me to this video. You've already probably seen from the title, but yes, I am cleaning out my closet because I tell you, I have a lot of clothes. It's time to move them out. Can we appreciate this dress though? Just feed my dog. Anyways, let's get on to the clothing. Let me just stack it on the bed real quick. I think the saddest thing about the pile I have here, this huge pile, like bigger than my body, is that this is only my wardrobe things. I have 10 drawers that don't even fit clothes as well. Okay, I love fashion, okay? Don't come at me. A lot of these clothes though are either from thrift stores, hand-me-downs from my mum, or things that are like, when I go to a store that isn't a thrift store, I only buy things that are on the like special price, you know, like $15 or under section. I will spend like $60 on a lot of clothes instead of $60 on like 2 quality clothes because I'm that person that hates spending money but loves buying things. So this is what we've come to. As you can see, a lot of it's jackets. A lot of these things I may not throw out though, even though I've never worn them, is because I know I will wear them, but for the past 4 years of my life, I have been wearing a school uniform for pretty much most of the days. So I've never had to worry about how much clothes I've had or what I actually wear and what I don't wear. So a lot of this will be culled down, but it won't be culled down to the extent because some of these things I think I may wear next year as a year 13 who gets to wear my own clothes now. But yeah, this is just my wardrobe pile. Truffles is looking after, okay, this is my little dog, Truffles. Truffles, are you looking after the yes pile? Oh my god, do you see it's shaky? It just wants pets. It's like, oh look at it, it's rolling over. And if you stop, it drags your hand back. Come on, she's late. Come on. Come on. Pets. See, okay, this is living proof that me and my dog are friends when my parents aren't home. But when my mum comes back home, this dog acts like she hates me with a passion. You can't fool anyone. We know your tricks. Okay, no more. No more. Calm down. I look so sad. Don't look sad. Don't pull my heartstrings like that. This is what I'm talking about. She wants to be my friend when no one's here. I just had something in my eye, but there was nothing in my eye, so I'm going crazy. Truffles, what are you doing over there? It's like spot the dog. Where's Truffles? Not where's Wally? And you have to like find her. Put your head down. down. No. I'm gonna put your head down. Where's Truffles? Ow. Ow. Okay, this is all my wardrobe hangy things done. This is the no pile. And then this is the maybe pile. And then this is my yes pile.
And I think that's pretty good.
Here we have some of my shoes in this huge bag. Why? Because I have too many still. I've narrowed it down, so I still have a lot. But yeah, all of these are practical and they're things I have worn before and will wear, so there's no worries about if I'm gonna wear it or not. Yeah, we're done. We're done for now. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow and we're gonna sort out my whole set of drawers together, which is gonna be painful, I know, but we can do it. Yes. Anyways, okay. See you tomorrow. Hello and welcome to the next day. Yes, things are looking a little better in my room because of that whole clean out. Now I can walk into my room, so that's brilliant. So today is drawers and washing baskets and another basket of clothing I just put in. I'll start with the drawers because they're just right in front of me. So I'm just gonna open, oh my god, money! So if you sleep naked and can do it and just feel happy about it, y'all going out. No, I'm just kidding. You are crazy. That's it. That's all I gotta say. You crazy, and that is that. So the video's gone on for a long time now, and I still have like a suitcase and a washing basket, like a whole big ass washing basket to go through. So I'm deciding to just end the video here. That's it. I can't film the rest. This is too time consuming. We're gonna now skip over to everything I'm getting rid of, and then show you everything else that I kept, kind of just like a little like tour of my wardrobe and my drawers and everything we cleaned out, because this is taking too long. I swear I didn't think I had this much. I'm not a hoarder, okay? You can tell me I'm a hoarder, but I'm not, so I'm not a hoarder, I promise. I just like to keep things. I'm not a hoarder, okay?
I'm not a hoarder, okay?
Okay, fine, I'm a hoarder. I'm a low-key hoarder. Stop bullying me. It's not my fault. Anyways, I need to clean up this mess, and let's skip over to what happened. Hello, it is the third and final day of filming this. I can tell you it has been hard, stressful, because I wanted to do it in one day, and then suddenly I had 2 hours of filming on the first day and I wasn't even halfway done, and then I was like, oh my god, this is gonna take yonks to edit, but it's okay because I'm just gonna do a lot of fast forwarding. I'm finally done as much as I can. I have narrowed it down to what I'm getting rid of and what I'm keeping. This is what I got rid of though. It is a lot. Like, it is a lot of clothes. Like, normally when I throw out stuff, it's like a couple. This is like 2 big bulky boxes full of just clothes and shoes that I don't fit me or I don't want. So I'm gonna try sell some of them, like the quality ones, and then others will just give to the Salvation Army or, you know, thrift stores, because someone else may like it, because some of these are really cool stuff. And yeah. So anyways, I'd like to say thank you for watching. I really enjoyed this video, even though it was kind of stressful. I think it was a good way to declutter myself. I am a hoarder. Okay, I'll admit it. I'm not like intense, but I'm a person who just wants to keep everything because everything reminds me of something, and I just love clothes and I love fashion, and I think I could make outfits out of things. When in reality, I had to look at what I was doing and kind of just take it back and think, oh yeah, I'm never gonna wear this. And yeah, it was really fun. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. I've never done something like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of these kind of style videos, let me know. I am gonna be doing, I have a couple ideas, like doing a painting video, thrifting videos, maybe a Q&A mukbang with my boyfriend. I don't know how you say mukbang, something like that. Kind of those, but if you have another idea, let me know. I'd love to do it because I'm not very creative at the moment. Thank you so much for watching. Click the links in the description below if you want to check out my social medias or other videos or like things I just linked down there. If you want to check that out, do like this video. Unless you completely hated it, then dislike it if you want to, but like that's kind of rude. Oh, and subscribe if you want to see more content. And I will see you in the next video. I don't know how to do an outro still. Bye-bye.
Don't always pick up when you call.
It's literally something bad. My mind is playing tricks on me again. There's nothing in my eye.
You can't even get